In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert an image into a PDF file. So I'll do it first on my Mac. This will work on both Mac and Windows on desktop, and then I'll show you how to do it over on mobile. So first things first, I have a picture of my cat here. As you can see, it is a JPEG file format. The easiest way of doing this is to open up a Google document. So you can go to Google Drive and create a new Google document. You can do this for free, no extra tools required. And what you want to do is you want to go to Insert and then go to Image and then Upload from Computer. Find that JPEG image like we have here and go ahead and double click or click Open to insert that image. Now, with anything within a Google document, you can resize it by dragging the corners here. You can also go down here to Size and Rotation and kind of do even more intense kind of specifics to where you want it within the page. But when you are ready to export it as a PDF, you want to go up to File, and then you want to go to Download, and then PDF Document. Click on PDF Document here, and if we go up here, you can see my downloads. I can show it in my Finder. You can see here, it's now saved as a PDF. Now, you may want to do this if the place that you're trying to upload to only accepts PDFs. So again, you can do it easily with any image here directly within Google Docs for free. Now, if you're on your iPhone, as you can see, I have a PDF document. What you want to do is find the image. Here's an image on my camera roll. And then what you want to do is tap the share button. It's the square with the arrow pointing out of it. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll down to where you see print. Go ahead and tap print like so. And then you'll see the share button in the upper right-hand corner next to options. Tap on that there, and it will automatically begin creating a PDF. You can then decide where do you want to save the PDF to. Do you want to send it or share it? Or for me, I'll go ahead and save it to my files folder here under downloads. Go ahead and replace the one that I just created. And now if I go to my files, right here. And now if I go to my files folder on my iPhone, you can see that photo there. If I tap into it here and tap on the information icon, the little I, it shows you that it is a PDF document that was exported from a picture here directly on my iPhone. If you have any questions, put those down below. If it helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.